Hi, I'm Martin from Martin Gear Jewellers. We're a manufacturing jewellers based in Mary Street in Dublin. So there's no point in going out buying a very expensive diamond ring and then not caring for it properly. It's simple to keep it clean at home yourself. It's very easy. You can make up a solution, washing up liquid. The magic ingredient is household ammonia. That's available in all department stores. And boiling water and a soft toothbrush. And you just put a little drop of each in. Soak your ring in there for a moment or two. That softens up the dirt, and it's mostly soap that's trapped in behind a diamond, and it stops the light coming through the diamond. So you just soak it for a moment or two, even a minute if you have it, and then with your soft toothbrush you're just rubbing it all over the sides of the ring. So some people get baking, paint, nail varnish, spray tan, all sorts in there. The big one is soap, and that's simple to wash out with hot water, washing up liquid and household ammonia. And this solution is perfect for all jewellery. I wouldn't put pearls in, opals or emeralds. And if you're not sure, ask your local jewellers or look it up online. But it's a very easy thing to do. Take about a minute and you can do lots of jewellery at one go. And you can keep it sparkling then. There we go. And there's a huge difference on this, I can see a mile away. A soft cloth just to dry it in, or rinse it in warm water, and then just tissue. You've got it there. It's back to its former glory. That's a simple way of keeping your jewellery clean at home.